Today we're going to take the engine out of the crate and see what it looks like and see what we need to do to it to prep it to hang on the fuselage. Well, it's about 87 degrees out here already at 11:30 this morning. Pretty hot and sticky day. I want to thank the crating crew at Van's Aircraft for doing such an excellent job packing my Aerosport IO-375. I picked it up used and I had it at work, and had the crating crew pack it up for me to make the move back here to Michigan, and looks excellent. My cowling survived intact, and we're ready to start rocking with this new engine. Got my excellent helper here today, and we're gonna get it done. Hannah's a real mechanic now. Let's see it. First bloody knuckle. Awesome.